All right, let's dive into Ruvamco. It's a self-service edge proxy platform that's going to totally modernize your IT architecture. Sick of manual proxy configs slowing you down? Ruvamco is the production-grade, self-service fix your engineering team desperately needs.
So, here's the plan. We'll look at the developer workflow, the control and data planes, and raw performance metrics.
Okay, let's dive into this. Right out of the box, you get self-service provisioning, multi-cloud readiness, and extensible sidecars. So, the crucial point is developers just write a YAML config, push to Git, and auto-provisioning handles the rest. And this brilliantly illustrates the strict separation. Managing configs in the control plane literally never touches live data plane traffic. Inside the control plane, async workers handle all the non-blocking state management, meaning your management systems never, ever freeze up. Now, real-time routing updates get pushed straight to your nodes. Envoy config happens instantly with absolutely zero system restarts. Let's see how this builds. The data plane handles raw traffic, routing users seamlessly from CDNs down to Envoy Proxies. Before hitting the backend, this proxy fleet uses pluggable sidecars for super crucial stuff like JWT authentication and rate limiting. Now, what's really interesting here is the reliability. 5 nines of data plane uptime and lightning-fast config propagation. Seriously impressive. It also handles scale totally effortlessly. We're talking a massive 1 million plus requests per second. And that immense traffic, it's seamlessly distributed across a rock-solid data plane fleet of over 2,000 Envoy instances. Ultimately, this whole architecture is reliably supporting over 10,000 distinct back-end services for your entire enterprise. Plus, managers keep total visibility into all this scale using built-in observability tools like Prometheus and Grafana. So, are you ready to stop managing bottlenecks and finally deploy self-service edge routing at true enterprise scale?